What's up, YouTube?
Bro, the camera's off.
Oh shit. Hold on. What's up, YouTube? BrokeFamTV here. I'm Derek.
No Marcos.
And today we're doing a mod on Marcos E92.
And the one we talked about, a video ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last episode.
Last episode on the 3-piece video.
We're doing taillights.
Doing taillights, so.
So let's head to the shop.
Let's go. What's up, guys? We're at the shop. We just got here. I got the taillights right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on. So let's get to it. All right. So here's the package that the lights came in. So here are the lights. So this is the left-hand side, and it's similar to an M3. And then here's the little piece that goes on the trunk. Supposed to go right there. And here is the connector that we're gonna need. This is the pre-LCI E92, so the original connector is this big, and we're gonna and this is a converter or whatever to, so we can fit these new taillights in there. But as you can see, it's a little connector, and then that's the one that comes from the car. So now I'll show you how to take it out. All right, so first things first, let's take this little panel off. You gotta press it in and it comes right out. And then you gotta take this wiring harness off, connector I mean. Pops right out, you squeeze it right here. Pull it out slowly so you don't break it. And you're gonna need an 8 deep millimeter socket to take these off. And that's all 3 of them, and now we just gotta pull it out. Alright, so all we gotta do is grab it from both sides and pull it out. It comes right out. And that's the whole tail light. And this is the new one, obviously. We're gonna take these little covers off. And you wanna make sure this is lined up with the edge, or else water's gonna leak inside the tail light and it's gonna fog it up. All right, so now we're gonna slide them back in. It's really easy. You just line up the studs and it sits in there. And all you gotta do is tighten them up from the 3 nuts in the back. But you can see the huge difference between those and then the stock. I think it's a nice upgrade, and it's not too expensive. Alright, so now we got the harness in here. Plug it up. Simple as that. And this one goes to the actual tail light. Just like that. And we just tuck the wires and to install this back in. Alright, so we put this one back on, and then we got this other one on. We didn't show you how to do it because it's just like the other one, same exact thing. And now we're gonna take this trunk liner off to get to these. So what we got to do is take up all these plastic clips all the way around. And we got 2, I think. Yeah, we have one here that's tucked underneath, so make sure you get that out or else you have a hard time trying to take it off. There we go. Alright, so gotta take that off. Alright, so we're not gonna take it completely off because this thing is clipped on there, but I'm gonna come over here. We gotta just take this nut off right here. And this is a 10 millimeter nut we just gotta take off that holds this whole thing. That's all that's holding it. And this just comes right out. There we go. And you just gotta press that to unplug it. The new one, plug and play, just like that. throw it back in here. Just lined up. And then we're going to use this new one that they provided to hold it. Just goes in like that. So this piece goes on the outside. Like that. Don't get it too tight or you're gonna break it, but we turned them on already and that's how they're looking so far. Alright guys, so we finished up the install. It's really easy. You know, we put these little plugs back in. We got the second one in. Everything works, plug and play. And we're gonna show you how they look. And that's how they look on the car. Tell me what you guys think. I really love them. I think it's a nice update to the car. And we'll show you some cinematics. What's up guys, we're back from the shop and finished installing the tail lights. It's a huge difference now, like in the car. It looks way better. 10 times better. It looks not a lot newer than what it is. It's only 2007. It looks newer than that. I highly recommend those. The reason I got them was because of the turn signals. And if we find a link, we'll put it in the description below. So yeah, it's only 3 bolts, 3 or 4 bolts to take them on and off. Really easy, real simple. Simple.
And apologies, I don't understand.
Shut up, Google.
I couldn't find the song.
Hey, shut up!
Be quiet.
Shut up, Google. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and give us a follow on our Instagram page.
Yeah, and then leave us a thumbs up and a comment, and make sure to check out the previous videos we've done. And the most recent one was the GTR, right?
Yep.
Yes, GTR. Make sure to check that out after you watch this or whatever.
We out.
Hey Google, play some Kodak.
Alright.
Oh shit, still on. Wow.
Oh, shit.